Miss Nature here, giving food to everyone fairly, based not on how cute they are, but on just natural selection. Here's Doe, a deer.
Wow, I never thought I'd be this close to a deer before.
Anya and llama, Anya and goats, and here is the most impressive of all, the monstrous murdering llama.
There, I'm letting them bite whatever they want.
You're very nice.
Oh, is that yours? Yeah. Oh. An ice cream cone? No, they actually give it to you at the front.